everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Ritu Maths Classes. Today in this video we are going to do some more important questions of the chapter trigonometry. In the part 1 video we have taken up a few important questions, and in the continuity only we are going to do some more questions. Part 1 video's link I will be giving in the description box. So let's start with today's video. It's a very important question which comes in 4 marks or 6 marks category. Question number 1, prove that cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree is equal to 1 by 16. That's a very standard question. Let's start with the proof. I'm going to start with LHS. Cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 80 degree. As you can see, ये सारे 20 डिग्री 40 डिग्री 80 डिग्री these are non standard angles, but 60 डिग्री is a standard angle and cos 60 डिग्री is equal to 1 by 2. So उसकी वैल्यू तो आपने पहले ही डाल देनी है 1 by 2. बाकी प्रोडक्ट रह गया आपके पास cos 20 डिग्री, cos 40 डिग्री, cos 80 डिग्री. Now 1 by 2 into आपके पास एक फॉर्मूला होता है 2 cos x cos y, which I can see available over there if I multiply by and divide by 2. So that is not a big thing, that can be easily done. 2 cos x cos y. Now it is applicable and the identity says it is cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. So I am going to apply this 2 cos x cos y. X is replaced by 20 degree and y is replaced by 40 degree. तो आपको ये multiplication division balance हो गई 2 से आपने किया because you wanted to recreate the identity. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into. Now I am going to apply this identity. 2 cos x cos y will be equal to cos x plus y. X plus y 20 plus 40, that is 60 degree. Plus as such cos x minus y 20 degree minus 40 degree, that is minus 20 degree. और जो last term है cos 80 degree, that is as such 1 by 4 into cos 60 degree, again a standard value 1 by 2 plus cos of minus theta, another identity. Cos is an इवन फंक्शन, उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपका थीटा जो एंगल है वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज जा रहा है या क्लॉकवाइज जा रहा है. सो कॉस ऑफ माइनस थीटा इज सिंपली कॉस थीटा. इट मींस दिस नेगेटिव इज इररेलेवेंट, वी कैन जस्ट रिमूव इट इनटू cos 80 degree. So this is the first part in which we have just done the application of two identities. Now I am going to continue it. You can see that I can take the LCM in the internal factor. So I am going to take the LCM. And that becomes 1 by 4 into 2 is the LCM, 1 plus 2 times cos 20 degree, 2 times cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree. So that is also done. I need not do this step, so I am just erasing it. Now common LCM goes into the product with 4 into 2, that is 8 into 1 plus 2 times cos 20 degree whole into cos 180 degree. 1 by 8 into 1 into cos 80, that is cos 80 plus 2 times cos 20 into cos 80. Again the same formula, 2 cos x cos y is applicable. So I am going to apply. अभी आइडेंटिटी इसी क्वेश्चन में यूज की थी. दिस इज द रेपिटेटिव एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस 2 cos x cos y, which is cos x plus y 20 plus 80 100 degrees plus cos x minus y cos 20 degree minus 80 degree will be minus 60. बट आपको पता है cos of minus theta फिर cos theta बन जाएगा. So this time you can directly apply it because in the same question you have given all the identities, so we can directly remove the negative. Now cos 80 degree as such plus cos 100 degree can be written as 180 degree माइनस 80 डिग्री, देखो मैंने कॉस को वैसे ही रखा, सिर्फ 100 डिग्री को एज अ डिफरेंस ऑफ टू एंगल्स लिखा है, प्लस cos 60 is again 1/2, 1/8 into cos 80 degree plus cos 180 minus theta. In the second quadrant cos is negative, so cos 180 minus 80 is minus cos 80, because आप second quadrant में जब rotation लेते हो तो cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta, so pi की जगह क्या आ रहा है 180, so cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. I can give the identity over here. You must write down the identities for the better understanding, as well as to give all the steps in the proof. Cos 80 minus cos 80, the same term but in the opposite side, gets cancelled. What is left? 1/8 into 1/2, that is 1/16, which is the RHS. This question is very very important, very standard question, comes directly in 6 marks, and this is a standard proof without any problems. So you just write it once or twice and it will be in your hands. Now we will be taking up some more questions. Now we have taken up question number 2. If A, B, C and D are the angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, then prove that cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equal to 0. अब cyclic quadrilateral क्या होता है? ऐसा quadrilateral जिसके चारों vertices एक circle की boundary पे lie करते हैं. Such a quadrilateral whose all the vertices lie on the boundary of the same circle. That quadrilateral is known as cyclic quadrilateral. And it has a very good property that opposite angles will be supplementary. Means the sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is always 180 degrees. So we will start the proof with here this property only, since the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Therefore, angle A plus C is equal to 180. Supplementary means the sum of the opposite angles will be 180, and B plus D is also equal to 180 degree. Because opposite angles कौन से हुए? A और C, उनका पेयर बन गया supplementary, और दूसरा पेयर बन गया opposite angles का B plus D. So एक चीज़ तो क्लियर है कि हमें ये चारों एंगल्स का जो कोसाइंस का सम शो करना है, उसमें से पेयरिंग किसकी करनी है? एक तरफ A और C की और एक तरफ B and D की. So I'm just making a column so that we can do it easier. On this side I am going to solve cos A plus cos C. To prove has 4 terms, out of which I have taken 2. Cos A plus cos C. So एक formula होता है आपके पास. I'm just writing down the formula over here. Cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 times cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So this is the formula which I am going to apply. 2 times cos sum of the angles divided by 2 into cos difference of the angles divided by 2. This is how you can memorize the formula. Sum of the angles divided by 2, difference of the angles divided by 2. Don't name it as x, y, a, b, c, d, because sometimes you get confused. So that I have given. And now for the next step, 2 times cos a plus c की वैल्यू कितनी है? 180 डिग्री. Divided by 2 करोगे, that will be 90 degree, and keep the next term as such, no changes. 2 into cos 90, that is 0, into cos a minus c by 2. 0 multiplied by anything gives you 0. So this is your number 1 expression, that cos a plus cos c is equal to 0 finally. Similarly, cos b plus cos d will be 2 times cos of sum of the angles by 2 into cos of difference of the angles by 2. Now when I write down similarly, it means we can skip one or two steps, not the vital ones, but the main one I have written down. So जो simple steps है वो आप निकाल सकते हो. 2 times cos b plus d, 180 divided by 2, that is cos 90 degree, into cos b minus d by 2. Next step, cos 90 is 0, 0 into anything is 0. So the main सोल्यूशन इज डन. सिमिलरली मीन्स आप जो बेसिक स्टेप्स है वो देके और सेम प्रोसीजर से फॉलो कर सकते हो. Now adding equations 1 and 2, we have to add them up because इसमें cos a plus cos c की वैल्यू पड़ी है, इसमें cos b plus cos b की वैल्यू पड़ी है. So adding number 1 and number 2 equations, we get adding first and second equations. LHS gets added into LHS and RHS gets added into RHS. तो LHS बन गया आपके पास cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. ऐड किया, चारों एंगल्स का कोसाइन आ गया. RHS 0 plus 0 that is 0. Hence proved. आपको यही प्रूव करना था. So sometimes what happens that you are not going to take up LHS or RHS particularly. आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है कि आप LHS से शुरू करके RHS पे कंपाइल करो. Sometimes the property says everything. आपको दिया है cyclic quadrilateral, आप वहीं से शुरू करो and then compile. The whole result will follow automatically. Now I'll be taking up third question. Now let's look at the third question. In any quadrilateral ABCD, any quadrilateral ABCD, well, it's not a cyclic quadrilateral as the previous question had a property of cyclic. तो यहाँ cyclic वाला कुछ available नहीं है, simple quadrilateral है. Prove that sin A plus B plus sin C plus D equal to 0. Okay, fine, it's not a cyclic quadrilateral, but even then it's a quadrilateral. अब quadrilateral की properties आपके दिमाग में आ जानी चाहिए. सबसे पहली property क्या है? Sum of all the four angles is 360 degree. So that is what I am going to use. In quadrilateral ABCD, A plus B plus C plus D will be equal to 360 degree. So that is what property by angles and property of quadrilaterals. Now I am going to take a LHS. Sin A plus B plus sin C plus B. A very simple identity of sin X plus sin Y. That goes like this: 2 times sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Means 2 times sin of sum of the angles by 2 and into cos of difference of the angles by 2, whatever the angle may be. So it is 2 times sin sum of the angles by 2 into cos of the difference of angles by 2. आपको एक तरफ सम ऑफ द एंगल्स करना है, एक एंगल पूरा a प्लस बी है, दूसरा c प्लस बी है, ऐड किया डिवाइड बाई 2. फिर करना है cos के साथ डिफरेंस ऑफ एंगल. सो ध्यान से डिफरेंस लेना है a प्लस बी फर्स्ट एंगल माइनस द होल सेकेंड एंगल c प्लस d. सो दैट इज 2 टाइम्स साइन a plus b plus c plus d. This value is known to us as 360 degree. 360 degree divided by 2 becomes 180 degree into cos. थोड़ा सा इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. a plus b minus c minus d by 2 and give the reference from number 1 because you have used that reference, that equation. Now sin 180, it's a horizontal line. पूरी horizontal line पे sin remains to be 0. So it is 0 into cos a plus b minus c minus d by 2 and 0 into anything is 0. So again read the question carefully. It's a conditional identity going on in any quadrilateral ABCD. जैसे आप पढ़ते हो तो आपके दिमाग में एक चीज़ क्लियर होनी चाहिए that we are going to use whatever we have been given, we are going to use. So better you make references out of that and then use it in the questions. Now let's start with question number 4. Express the following as a product. Sin 6 theta minus sin 2 theta. As a product show करना है आपने और दिया हुआ है as a difference. So let's start doing. Sin 6 theta minus sin 2 theta. As soon as you look at this, you are reminded of the identity sin x minus sin y. That goes like this: 2 times cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. जितनी जल्दी आपको फॉर्मूले आपके ग्रिप पे होंगे उतनी जल्दी आपके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होंगे. So you have to be having a good grip on the formula. As soon as you look at the question and the relevant formula should come to your mind, and that comes with practice only. So better we do a lot of practice. So let's start it. 2 times cos sum of the angles by 2. Sum of the angles by 2 into sine of the difference of the angles by 2. I have just applied the formula as such. 2 times cos. और ये भी बेटर रहता है कि आप आइडेंटिटी पहले लिख लो और फिर उसको अप्लाई करो. यू विल नेवर बी रॉन्ग. आपको आइडेंटिटी एक तो स्टेप में देनी है, रीजन में देनी है, उसके मार्क्स मिलते हैं सब्जेक्टिव पेपर में आपको आइडेंटिटी देने के, और फिर आप जब उसको लिखने के बाद अप्लाई करते हो इट इज़ नेवर इनकरेक्ट. सो इट्स बेटर यू राइट डाउन द आइडेंटिटी केयरफुली एंड देन अप्लाई. 2 times cos 6 plus 2 8 divided by 2 4 theta into sine 6 minus 2 is 4 divided by 2 is 2 theta. Now you can see it is a product. आप चले थे डिफरेंस से अप्लाई किया फॉर्मूला एंड इट इज अ प्रोडक्ट. Express the following as a product, so that is done. You need not do anything. This was a product and that is done. And now comes our final question, a very very important question. Prove that 2 plus under the root 2 plus 2 times cos 4 theta whole under the root is equal to 2 cos theta. Many times it has been there in the exam. So let's start with the proof. I'm going to start with LHS. Very carefully you have to note down the left hand side. As you can see the whole root is there 2 plus. ये जो अंदर वाला रूट है इसके अंदर आपके पास 2 कॉमन आ रहा है. फैक्टर्स बन गए 2 into 1 plus cos 4 theta. As soon as you look at it, आपके ध्यान में एक आइडेंटिटी आनी चाहिए 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 times cos square theta by 2. But in place of cos theta I'm having cos 4 theta 1 plus cos. So in place of theta I'm having 4 theta. So we will be managing accordingly. Let's start. 2 plus अंडर रूट ये 2 भी एज सच. अब इसको आपको अप्लाई करना है, ध्यान रखना है थीटा की जगह 4 थीटा यूज कर रहे हो. सो इट विल बिकम 2 इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा की जगह क्या हो जाएगा 4 थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो बस इतना ध्यान रखना है कि आप सेम आइडेंटिटी थीटा की जगह 4 थीटा अप्लाई कर रहे हो. 2 प्लस नाउ 2 इंटू 2 4 अंडर रूट से बाहर निकाल दो, इसको आ गया 2. cos स्क्वायर है अंडर रूट से बाहर निकाल दो cos 4 theta by 2 that is 2 theta. So this is how you can solve the product as well as the under root. It will be done in single step. I repeat it. 2 into 2 4 root is 2 cos square that is cos अंडर रूट से बाहर निकल के cos 4 theta by 2 becomes to be 2 theta. Again 2 is a common factor. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Same identity, but this time I am working with 2 theta in place of theta. You can see 1 plus cos theta, here I am having 1 plus cos 2 theta. So this is called the repetitive application of the same identity. 2 times this whole is to be replaced by 2 times cos square theta by 2. theta की जगह हमारे पास क्या चल रहा है 2 theta. 2 theta by 2. 2 into 2 4 रूट से बाहर निकालोगे 2 cos square रूट से बाहर निकाल के cos 2 theta by 2 that cancels and you are left with theta. So 2 times cos theta. Look at the RHS. This is the RHS. So we have tried to cover up some very very important questions in these 2 videos. I have already told you फर्स्ट वीडियो का जो लिंक है वो दैट आई विल बी गिविंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सेकंड वीडियो आपके सामने है एंड वील ट्राई टू कवर अप मोर सच क्वेश्चंस ऑफ एवरी चैप्टर. And if you like my video, please do hit the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends, because when you share it with your friends, only then this practice of knowledge, the practice of mathematics will spread everywhere. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my video. Thank you.